students. Now we going to discuss about a chapter 12 areas related to the circle chapter. Okay, some formulas are there. Basis of that formula we can solve the sums or exercise problems with the help of the formula we can able to do. That's why some formulas we can discuss. First formula, circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle formula is, what is the formula? 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. Second formula, area of a circle. How to find out area of the circle? Pi r square is the area of the circle formula. Then next formula is length of an arc. Okay, but before that we can discuss. In 9th class we learned about circle case, segment. That chapter we learned segment case, we learned sector case, we learned what about segment, what about sector, what about arc. Last 9th class we discussed that one. Here see, sector means sector represent as O is the center of the circle and two radius. OA and OB are the two radius and AB is the arc of the circle. Arc of the circle is AB and OA and OB are the radius of that circle. Two radius and arc joining region, we call it as a sector. We call it as a sector. There are two types of sector are there. One is major sector, another is a minor sector. Here small part we represent as a minor sector, and which is major sector. Here A, P, B is the major sector. Major sector means here, which is the major sector? APB is the major sector. OA and OB are the radius of the circle and APB is the arc of the circle. That region we call it as a major sector. Minor means small part sector. What is that? Here also OA and OB are the radius of the circle. AB, small piece of the arc is given there. That's why the small part only shading there. So this shaded part we call it as a minor sector. That one, minor sector. Then here there are formula for finding a minor sector and a major sector case also there. Then same way length of the arc, finding a formula also there. So first length of the arc, how to find out? The formula is the length of an arc of a circle. Arc of a circle of radius r, length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into length means circumference, that's why a 2 pi r. Theta means here central angle represent as a theta value. Theta, one full complete circle means how much degree? 360. So theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r is the length of the arc, finding a formula. Here in this way write or a 2 use and cancel the 2 table to 1 time, 2 table 360 means how many times? 160. That formula or in this way theta by 180 degree into pi r formula, any one you can write without cancelling length of the formula, write or cancelled after formula, write any formula you can write, both are correct only. So length of the arc, find the formula is this one. Then next fourth formula is this area of the minor sector we want to find out. Area of that minor sector, how to find out? How to find out means here also theta is there. One full complete rotation means how much degree? 360 degree. Then area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square is the formula for finding area of the circle. That's why we can write it as area of minor sector minor sector. How to find out to means formula is theta by 360 degree into area of the circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Length of the arc asking time theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. Area of the minus. In question they not mention minus sector. They mentioned always sector only. So remember sector only they marked means remember that tells about the minor sector case only they are telling that one keep in. So that time which formula we are applying theta by 360 degree into pi r square formula where we are applying there. Then next fifth formula major sector, this major part sector formula how to find out this major part area how to find out means our full circle is there, that area is subtracted with which area, the small part represent shaded part represent minus sector area. So how to form the formula, area of the circle is subtract or removed with this minor sector we get to major sector area. So area of major sector how to find out means major sector SECT over sector how to find out means area of circle is removed means subtracted with the area of sector or a minor sector, any word you can use. Sector only usually in question they use it, so remember it is minor sector case. Area of the circle, what is the formula, pi r square is the area of the formula. Area of minor sector, what is the formula, just before we learned that what is the formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the formula for a minor area of minor sector. So this is the formula for finding a major sector area. How to find out area of the full circle, area of the circle formula is what is the formula, pi r square. That part area is removed with which area of this shaded part area were removed, then we get a not shaded part, that is a major part sector. So shaded part represent as a which one a minor sector, so area of minor sector subtraction. So we know minor sector area how to find out, just before part we learned theta by 360 into area of the circle, pi r square is the formula. This is the formula for finding area of the major sector. I hope you can understand. Once again I repeat, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, area of circle is pi r square, length of the arc find the formula theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. Can in this way write or cancelled after writing in which way, getting that formula theta by 180 degree into pi r is the formula. Area of minor sector formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Area of major sector is area of circle minus area of the minor sector. That means area of circle formula is pi r square minus theta by 360 degree into pi r square. One more formula that also. We know that here one full circle, how many quadrant here? 4 quadrant. 4 quadrant means to make how much degree? 90 degree. Suppose theta value they given us a 90 degree means we can apply this formula, area of quadrant formula. Instead of a minor sector place, we can apply area of a quadrant formula. Formula is 1 by 4 pi r square is the formula. Area of a quadrant formula, how to for quadrant means theta value become a 90. That time we applying a 1 by 4 pi r square is the formula. Other theta place 30 degree, 60 degree, like this values coming time minor sector formula we applying and finding a then theta value 90 degree case we apply area of the quadrant formula apply and find out. So 1 by 4 pi r square is the formula for finding a area. These are the formula, 6 formula. Next 7th formula. Last year we learned 7th formula. Here a segment. What about segment? Segment case. segment case, here also one circle is there, O is the center of the circle, and one chord is there, AB is our chord. Segment means a chord and the arc of the circle. Arc means piece of the circle. Arc of the circle joining region, we call it as a segment. What about a segment? A chord and a arc of the circle joining region, we call it as a segment. Here also two types of segment are there. One is a minor segment, another is a major segment. Minor segment means a small part, we call it as a minor segment. Major means which is the chord here? AB is the chord. APB is our major part. APB is our major segment part. That's why more part. That's why this is our major segment. So there are two types of segment. One is a minor segment, another is a major segment. Minor segment means arc and a chord of a circle joining region, we call it as a segment. Here see this small part only, that's why this part we call it as a minor segment. This is more part. This AB chord and APB arc joining this much region is there, that's why we call it as a major segment. These are the segment case. Here also circle have a radius. How many radius we can do? Infinite number of radius drawn in one circle. We know that. Here I am joining OA and OB are the two. OA and OB are the two radius. OA and OB are the two radius. Here center angle they mark it as theta. Here also formula, seventh formula, what we want to find means minor segment case formula we want to find. Minor segment area of a minor segment. Area of minor segment we want to find out. Formula how to get to means segment means where it is this much part. Here see, here this two radius. Which are the two radius? OA and OB are the two radius, and AB is the arc. So two radius and arc joining part, we call it as a sector. Then the OAB is a which shape? Triangle shape. So we want this part area, that means this segment part area we want minus. So minor segment how to find out means this two arc and two radius and arc joining region, we call it as sector part. So minor sector is subtracted to which area, which shape? This one, area of a AOB triangle. Then you get this minor part segment will get. How to get minor part means two radius, we know just before we learned two radius and which is the arc? AB is the radius arc. Two radius OA and OB are the two radius. AB is the arc. Two radius and arc joining region, we call it as a sector. So sector means here a small sector only, not big, a small sector only. So minor sector is subtracted to with which area? This here this part which shape? Here AOB is a triangle shape. AOB is a triangle. So area of the triangle part removing time, which part will get in the area of the minor sector will get in there. That's why area of minor sector how to find out means area of sector. Sector means remember minor sector. Minor sector is subtracted to the area of triangle. Area of minor sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the area of the minor sector. Subtract area of triangle is half into base into height is that formula, or another one more formula is the half r square sin theta is the another area. Find the area of a triangle formula. Any formula, half into base into height formula, or half into r square sin theta formula. Apply in these two for any formula you can have. So how to find out area of minor segment? Area of a minor sector is subtracted with the area of a triangle. We get this area of the minor part. Minor segment part will getting as a area of this minor sector removed with the area of this triangle part. We get the small part, minor part will get. That is the meaning. This way this formula will get in. Suppose we want this big part area, that means major segment. Next, eighth formula. Area of a major segment we want to find out. How to find out area of a major segment? Segment means major segment, where here AB is the chord, APB is our here segment arc place. So that part how to get we want this much part only we want. That's why what we want to do, area of the circle is removed with which part? This small part. The small part represent what? Minor segment part removed. Removed means subtraction. Do in time we get this much part. This much part means area of the major segment will get. How to get major segment? Area of the circle is subtracted with the area of the minor segment part. We get major segment. So area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of a minor segment. Here we are applying a minor segment. Area of a circle, what is the formula? Pi r square is the formula. Area of minor segment, how to find out? Minor segment, how to find out? Area of the sector. This is our area. This part, how to get area of the sector? Minor sector is removed with area of this triangle. We get a minor segment. Minor segment area. Just before we learn that formula, right? Area of a minor sector is subtracted with the area of a triangle. We get the area of the minor segment formula. Minor segment formula, area formula, how to get the area of this minor sector is subtracted with the area of this triangle. We get the small part area. So that small part area is removing from the circle area. We get area of the major segment. So pi into r square minus area of minor sector formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the minor sector formula. Area minus area of triangle is half r square. Sin theta is the area of the triangle, or half into base into height formula. You can apply this. These are the related to this chapter formulas. One more formula is there here. Number of rotation we want to find. Number of rotation means here within 10 minutes the car wheel is how many times it rotate in number of rotation we want to find. That one formula is the number of rotation. Find it for ninth formula. Number of rotation. Find the formula is distance moving 1 minute divided by circumference of the wheel. This is the formula for finding a number of rotation of a car or a number of rotation of a cycle wheel, like this. How to find out the distance move in 1 minute divided by circumference of the wheel. Find the circumference means wheel is in which shape? Circle shape. So circumference of the circle formula apply, and distance, how much distance move in how much they are asking at 1 minute or 10 10 minute or what they ask, basis of that minute distance divided with the circumference of the wheel, find in time, you get how many rotation that wheel will making will getting. This is the another formula for finding remaining formulas. Next exercise we can discuss in time, we can discuss there. Okay, then next we can go through exercise problems. So exercise 12.1. 12.1, here first question. First question they tells about here two radius of a two circle is given. Radius of a two circle, that means radius plural form is radii. Radii of a two circle is given there. One circle radius is 19 centimeter, another circle radius given as 9 centimeter. Then question asking find out the radius of the other circle. One more circle, third circle is there. Then clue they given as that circle how circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other two circles. So total how many circles are there? 3 circles are there. We only identified. Questions are given like this. Radii of the two circles is 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle for which circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other circles. In this way question given. So now we already identify that there are how many circles are there? 3 circles are there. First circle radius given as 19, we take it as 19. Second circle radius we consider it as 9. Third circle radius they ask to find, we want to find with the help of the what clue they given, with the help of that clue finding. What clue they given? Circumference of the third circle is equal to the sum of the circumference of other two circles. In this way they given. So first how to start means we can write it as a radius of a first circle. First circle radius, mark it as R1. They given as a 19 centimeter. Then circumference find out. First circle circumference find out. Circumference of a first circle. Circumference of a first circle, that is equal to 2 pi r place r1 we substitute. That means r1 place which value we substitute? 19. Leave it. Then next radius of second circle. Radius of second circle. Radius of second circle they given as for identification we mark it as r2, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Then circumference find out. So circumference of second circle find out. Second circle is equal to 2 pi for identification, mark it as R2. Second circle mark it as value substitute. 2 pi into R2 place which value? 9. Leave this much centimeter. Circumference represent as a centimeter unit. Same unit we are marking. Then next third circle case. So radius of third circle we don't know. For my identification mark it as a third circle denoted as a R3. So circumference of third circle find out is given. They given in this, in which way they given means circumference of third circle equal how we can represent a 2 pi for identification mark it as R3. That circumference of third circle is equal to sum of the other two circle circumference. That is equal to sum of first circle circumference is 2 pi R1 plus second circle circumference is 2 pi R2. Sum of the circumference of the other two circles. Okay, here then next step 2 pi R3. Next step R1 and R2 place that value substitute. 2 pi R1 place 19 plus 2 pi R2 place 9 into 9. Just we mark it. Then which value, which alphabet is common? 2 pi is common. Take outside. So 2 pi R3 is equal to 2 pi take common outside. 19 plus 9 come inside the bracket. Again see 2 pi right side. 2 pi is on the left side. Right side, left side, same alphabet or same number means we can cancel. So R3 value become how much? 28 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. Radius of third circle become how much? 28 centimeters. This is the meaning of this first question. I hope you can understand the meaning of this question. Then next question also same only, instead of the circumference place they tell about the area. Their radius given as 8 centimeter and 6 radius of first circle they given as 8 centimeter, second circle radius given as 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the third circle, then area of that circle is equal to the sum of the areas of the other circle. In this way, second question they mention. So we can write the same step. Radius of first circle R1. Here how much is our R1 value? 8 centimeter. Second question case. Then here's note circumference. They asked the area of a circle. So area of a first circle. What is the formula for finding area of a circle? Pi r square. But here we substitute for identification. Mark it as R1 square. Pi value need not, but later we can cancel. 8 square R1 means 8. Radius of a circle is 8. 8 square means 8. 8 so how much? 64 pi. Unit how to represent area case? Centimeter square. Same as second circle case, for identification we mark it as R2. Radius is how much? 6 centimeter. Here note circumferences. In second question they ask about area case. So area of second circle formula is pi r2 square. Pi r square is the formula, but here second circle we denoted as r2, radius denoted as r2. Value substitute in the pi only. R2 place how much radius of second circle? 6. So square is there, so 6 square. 6 into 6 become how much? 36 pi centimeter square is the answer. Area of second circle become a pi r2 square, value is 36. Then radius of third circle we don't know, then r2 square. Therefore area of third circle they asking in which way they give the clue. They given clue as area of third circle. Area of third circle we denoted as pi r3 square is equal to sum of the areas of the other two circle. Areas of other two circle means pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Sum of the areas of other two circle. Here also again continue. Pi r3 square equal r1 place how much here? This value how much we get as 8 square means 60. So we already found. So 64 pi plus here how much? 36 pi. From here which value is, which alphabet is common? Pi is common. So we can next step we can take a pi as common outside. So 64 plus 36. So right and left side pi value is the cancel pi value. So r3 square become how much? 64 plus 36 become 100. So r3 how to find here? Square r3 square. So r3 we need r3 value how to find it? Take square root of 100. How square root of 100 become which number? Which number square become 100? 10 into 10 become 100. That's why 10 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. I hope you can understand. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.